Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today we are gonna be making a jigsaw today. There's also some Nemo jigsaws in there. And look, we're here with our in the night garden friends. We have Iggle piggle, whip, and we have Makka Pakka, Makka Pakka, and upsy daisy. Are you guys gonna help us build some jigsaws? Okay, let's get down then. Oops! Whee! Now let's take off the lid and dump out the jigsaws. Wow, look at all them jigsaws. There's some wood parts. There's also some little parts and our big plastic parts. There's some of this word part. And look, there's also a Nemo and Dory puzzle what we can put together. And they're all mixed up, so we need to put them out together. Okay, you ready to dump them out? 3, 2, and whoa! Wow, look at all them jigsaws. Let's try and see if we can complete all these jigsaws. Let's stand you guys up. Then you the in the night garden friends can help us. Who wants to help first? I think Iggle Piggle does. Let's go then, Iggle Piggle. Let's see where the first one is. Maybe we can look at the map again. Oh look, there's another Nemo piece. This looks like there's some coral and some Nemos. And look, at the bottom it says 33. So we don't get lost. Here you go, Iggle Piggle, just in case. Oh look, and I found 32. Oops. Now we can put that together maybe. How do we do it? Let's put it together again, guys. Now this goes. I wonder which way it goes, guys. Does it go this way? Oops, no. It goes this way, I think. Oh, it's really hard to do it with one camera, though. Yeah, so this goes together. Yay! We already finished it too. Now let's get that box again, okay? Now we're gonna do the bigger puzzles this time with another character. Now this is what it's supposed to look like. It comes in millions of pieces, but we have done it in mixed up. So we're gonna try and find the England piece then. I know. Maybe Upsy Daisy can find it. Can you find the England piece? Upsy! Oh! I'm so sorry about that, Upsy Daisy. Okay? Upsy Daisy! Oh dear. Let's see if we can find it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's some grassy bits here. There's some things. We need to find the England parts. Oh, look. Upsy Daisy's gonna look at this. Look, you can see a little bit of Dory's eyes. And what number is it? 63. We're nowhere near 63 though, Upsy Daisy. We've got to keep looking. Maybe this is an England piece? Or maybe China could be an England piece. Let's just see that box again. Let me just get it. Now, here's the box. I'm going to show you it right now. Upsy Daisy. You can see that there's Scotland. And you can find Wales, the Great Manchester, and stuff like that. So we need to find it. Oh, maybe this is in England, please. Upsy Daisy says yes. Upsy Daisy! I think it's Makka Pakka's turn to see if there's a jigsaw, a useful jigsaw. And he said he wants to do the Nemo and Dory pieces as two. Makka Pakka. Let's see. Now, the Nemo and Dory pieces are a little bit more easier, so we need to put them together. Okay. But there's not a box with the Nemo and Dory pieces, really. 65. Oops. There's 65, yeah. Any more of these things? Oh, yeah, there is. There's 38. Now, here's most of these little ones here. And it got to be one of these, Makka Pakka. So, which one do you want to see? Oh. And that. Okay. We can join, at least put together right here. And we can put that together over here. As we saw. Yeah, it can go like together too. Well, thank you, In the Night Garden Toys, for helping us find, helping us doing this jigsaw. Well, there's still millions of pieces. We'll do it next time then. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe for our videos. Goodbye.